I'm the White House press secretary. Today, President Biden is rolling out the next stage of his COVID-19 plan. We're going to focus on getting more people vaccinated. There's about 175 million people who are vaccinated in this country and 80 million who are not. So there are new requirements the president's announcing today. First is for companies with more than 100 employees. Second is for the federal workforce, requiring people in the federal workforce to be vaccinated. Third is for most healthcare settings, hospitals, hospices, most home healthcare work settings. We're also going to require that those workers are vaccinated. That includes childcare centers, and it also includes public schools across the country. Well, I would say first from the federal government. If I remember the context of the question, it was about federal mandates, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's not a decision that we are making. That is not our intention from the federal government. There will be decisions made by private sector entities, by universities, by educational institutions, and even perhaps by local leaders, should they decide that is how to keep their community safe. There are a couple key principles that we are working from. One is that there will be no centralized universal federal vaccinations database and no federal mandate requiring everyone to obtain a single vaccination credential. Let me be very clear on this. I know there's been lots of questions. The government is not now, nor will we be supporting a system that requires Americans to carry a credential. There will be no federal vaccinations database and no federal mandate requiring everyone to obtain a single vaccination credential. As these tools are being considered by the private and nonprofit sectors, our interest is very simple from the federal government, which is Americans' privacy and rights should be protected, and so that these systems are not used against people unfairly. If you want to learn more about the president's plan, go to whitehouse.gov.
Come on, man.